Yeah. Woo. Yeah, we back with another little vlog, man. Today I'm gonna be showing love to my baby, man. I'll be neglecting to let her sit out here in the yard. It's the fucked up piece right here, y'all. Don't worry about it, man. I got something that's gonna take care of all that shit. She's still here, man. Too many people gonna ask to buy. Hell, no, I can't sell this. Can't sell it, can't sell it, can't sell it, can't sell it, won't sell it. She too clean. I'll show y'all that dash, man. Ain't nothing on that dash, dog. No cracks, no nothing. I gotta clean all this too. Yeah, man, she's still here. We're gonna discuss a few plans about her. Get back on her too, man. I ain't forget about her. I'm really pissed off by my damn hood, man. It's alright, though. I'm gonna let my boy Brown spray this bitch. Try to have her out by class of 2 ready, man, with the box. Alright, man, I'm gonna cut y'all off and really get the washing this baby. Speed up a little timing process. Bitch filed with no motherfucking problem. No problem at all. A little one muffler sound good over here. Sound like she got a little cam up in a little something. Look. Let's go get the water off the back of my damn truck. Come back. Like them floors. Damn, man, I ain't hear no gas up in this bitch, dog. I'm tripping. And I need a tune up on this bit, man. Rest in peace to my uncle, man. Before he passed away, he told me to bring the truck back down with 4 pills. Bring the truck back. I'm gonna show you how to do a full tune up on it, man. Cause one of my damn spark plug, I think that bitch out, dog. This motherfucker be lagging. We're taking the gas. See that shit? Shit that be lagging and whatnot, man. Damn, AC in the truck stopped working. Still trying to figure out what the hell is the problem. The bitch don't want to get cold for nothing in the world, man. Hold up. We probably got a little coldness. No coldness. That bitch still hot. That bitch still hot. God damn. Put on the turning signal, duck. Yo, man, she be pulling real good. I just need a little tune-up done, man. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Boy, you almost came in my car, nigga. That's that same damn fraud. Me and that nigga were beefing, dog. Now he's sitting on the top of my goddamn. Man, get your ass off, nigga. Get your ass off. Hold on, y'all. Boy, that shit just gave me chill, boy. One thing I do not fuck with is no goddamn fraud. I do not fuck with frauds. Hell no. I fuck with, man, put it like this. I fuck with them, but I don't fuck with them while I'm driving, dog. Don't try to jump up in my damn truck, my car, whatever, man. Don't do that shit, dog. Woo, wow, I'm gonna wreck my whole fucking truck, boy. God damn, boy. And that nigga been beefing for the longest, dog. I hit that windshield wiper on his ass, dog. He flew off, man. Oh, Lord, boy. Hold on, my AC still ain't getting cold, man. I'm still trying to figure out what the hell is the damn problem. It's not it's not as hot as what it usually be up in this bit, but I can deal with this right here. I gotta let my boy. Oh, what the fuck is that? Man, I'll turn y'all back on once I get to the high, dog. I'm tripping. All right, man. I done got my mind back straight. I'm headed back to the highs now, man. Woo! I don't fuck with frauds, boy. When they come out of me driving, dog. They on my front porch, my garage, my high. I can deal with them, boy. But listen, y'all niggas move too quick, but I don't need y'all jumping in my feds. I don't need y'all jumping on my hand. I ain't playing none of them damn games, man. I made it back home, y'all. I'm gonna wreck the whole fucking truck fucking around with that damn fraud. Let me make sure that nigga on the back of my shit. You know, I seen that nigga ass fly up in that damn out. We ain't got no water. I bet all gone. I don't even need the pressure wash, to be honest with you. I just need to blow it. Hopefully ain't no frogs back here either, dog. I'll be straight. Cause I'm at home now. I'm not gonna lie, man. She look good squatted like that, man. Squatted like that. Nah, I can't have that shit, man. I gotta put them big boy Wi-Fi. 24 by 12, 24 by 14s on this bit. Y'all know me, man. I ain't gotta have no fancy name brand. I rock with the dog shit too, dog. Cause guess what? I know how to put these bitches together. I know how to dress. So I ain't gotta worry about that shit. Found these at the Pepe, y'all. I gotta tell y'all how I redid my garage. Found all this cool shit at the Pepe. I ain't found that at the Pepe. I just got that. I gotta tell y'all about that. And I got this at the Pepe right along with all these damn extension cords and this little shit. All that at the Pepe, man. Whole little setup, man. Over here, them two little gas cans back there. Air compressor, that little shit there. Them two toolboxes. This little nail box thing back there with some double lights back there, and this whole entire shelf. Got it at the Pepe, man. Oh, and the little army tank shit. These, the cooler, the ladder back there. Now I got 2 ladders. That little chainsaw thing, and a couple tables. Now that I done got the bed cleaned out a little piece, I'm gonna move over in here. Try to sweep all of this crap out, spray down some degreaser, spray it out and whatnot. I'm gonna put my truck back on the road, so when I start going to car shows and shit, I can put my little cooler back here, little ice cups, all that good shit, man. With all this oil and leaves and screws. I think all this came from when I first bought the truck. I never really cleaned it out back here. And then this shit right here, I'm gonna find me a little box I can put back here so all of this won't be touching this to the cooler and all that other shit. it might not look like it on camera. It do need to be painted in the inside and then, but damn, that look good as fuck, dog. So now I put me a little box over here with all like my little oils and whatnot, fluids, and then put my cooler over there. Got my little box over there. Put my cooler here, and we good to go. We good to rock out. Truck back on the road, man. Little Viking, nice, clean in the inside, smelling good, air freshener. Pull that down. Take that off. Yes, sir. Just the thing about these damn trucks, man. I heard that this shit. Very common, I guess, when the hinges get worn out or something, you gotta put some effort inside the door, man. We're gonna get all that taken care of when I get painted. They look good, man. Put some dark boys on us, some thicker tire, 24x12s or 14s, whichever one I decide to do. I don't know, I might go 22. Man, they say the higher that you go, the rougher the ride. I don't know. I gotta see for my damn self. Sit out here and smoke me a little cigar. Some chicken wings, man. Got my little workout in today.
But my shit so clean. The Chevy do something to my self-esteem. Alpine in the dash, and the dudes in the ass, and that wet paint shit look like glass.